Welcome to your Interior Design YouTube channel. Embark on a journey of design sophistication as we explore any area of creative console table design meticulously crafted by top designers. These visionary artisans have seamlessly blended form and function to redefine the aesthetics of home decor. From sleek and minimalist style to ornate and intricately detailed designs, the options are as diverse of your personal taste. Step into the world of sideboard elegance where the finest styles await your admiration. Immerse yourself in the luxurious allure of top-notch craftsmanship that transform these sideboards into timeless pieces of furniture. Whether you prefer a contemporary twist or a classic touch, these design promises to elevate your living space with their charm and practicality. Delve into the realm of buffet table design that marry functionality with beauty. Discover how these tables become not just serving stations but focal points of your dining areas. The exquisite detail and thoughtful layouts of these buffet tables showcase the dedication of designers to redefine the dining experience. Each piece is testament to the artistry involved in creating furniture that is only visually stunning but also enhances the overall ambience of your home. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.